Stop. A chart that crowns a winner is not a comparison. A walk of 3 different jobs, plus 10 live Grokbot skills you can copy. That is a fair compare. Really, listen. Grokbot is a named teammate with a cloud computer, skills, and routines. Claude computer use drives pixels and files on a desktop. CrewAI is a Python graph of agents you wire yourself. Different products. Different failure modes. This video does not pick a 2026 winner. 1. 3 jobs, not 1 race. 2. 10 autonomous DevOps skills the catalog actually ships. 3. How you copy a Grokbot skill without auto-merge. 4. Official rule, pick the job. Then you decide. Stay with me. Most threads flatten this into Grok versus Claude versus Crew. That is lazy. Weak. Auto-merge every PR because an agent graph said so. Strong. Copy PR conflict flagger. Slack plus GitHub. A flag. You still merge. A Grokbot skill is the method. A routine is when the bot runs it. / to reference. Plugins, yours enable it. Test run does real work. 1 bot, up to 50 routines. Claude computer use is still a person-shaped session on a machine. CrewAI is still your DAG, your keys, your eval. Group 1. Audit and manage. You still ship Codebase Hardening Auditor. GitHub plus X. Findings. You still patch. Engineering Agent Manager. GitHub X Linear. A roster. You still assign. Security Questionnaire. Notion plus Drive. Draft answers. You still submit. Group 2. Orchestrate work. Flags, not silent merges. Linear Development Orchestrator. GitHub X Linear. A plan. You still point tickets. Multi-repository Dev Orchestrator. GitHub. Many repos. You still review. PR conflict flagger. Slack plus GitHub. A conflict ping. You still resolve. Group 3. Plan on a remote seed LI. You still type the risky command. Remote seed LI development planner. X. A plan. You still run it. Group 4. Games and watch. Odd, but live. Name them. Game development engineer. GitHub plus X. A build pass. You still ship the build. Game developer. Native routine. Web search. X. Research. You still design. QA watcher. Native routine. Web search. X. Failures. You still file the bug. When to pick what? Short and honest. Need a named teammate on a cloud computer with copyable skills? Grokbot. Need OS level clicks on your desktop? Claude computer use. Need a coded multi-agent graph you own in Python? CrewAI. You can use more than one. Do not pretend they are the same seat. Install the Grokbot site as Poppy, not Vibes. Open the compare guide in the description. Then the catalog. Copy prompt. View schema. Pick the owning bot. Enable the plugin. / the skill. Fill GitHub and approval rules. Test run on a dummy repo. Then schedule with time zone and a no data policy. Approve sending, merges, and anything that leaves the bot computer. Access is still a paid plan. Super Grok Plus or Heavy. Cursor Pro Plus, Ultra, or Teams. Your move this week. Pick 2 Grokbot skills. PR Conflict Flagger plus Codebase Hardening Auditor. Or Linear Orchestrator plus QA Watcher. Do not auto-merge. Do not crown a winner. Match the job. Links for the 10 skills, both compare guides, and the full catalog are in the description. This video used AI assistance for voice and edit, like if the 3 job split was the missing piece. Subscribe for the next silo when we ship it. Approved every merge. You still decide.